Hey guys, level 2 here. Hope you guys had a good FOMC day on the live account. I surely did. Was really busy, so I wasn't able to post yesterday. Couple of pictures on some analysis on stuff that we did yesterday, or you would have seen in the previous video of numbers we were looking for. I think it would have been the before numbers. Um, pictures. Is the FOMC trade that we more or less took on a swing trade. Totally out of that. Got take profits up to 24s yesterday, which was pretty nice. You would have seen this in a previous video where I had the arrows and what the move I was looking for. So you look at we dip down here and buy to go up this way and then take the reversal down to the downside. We got more or less filled on everything. 3 contracts. That's personal business. So right. Um, so let's look at doing a quick review first. This is the FOMC value that I built yesterday. So you would notice right here. You would see 2940 is value area low, 52 is BOC, and back to 58. Um, so that's more or less value area we're looking at today. Looking to target the open, punch to the upside, then come back down. So we're looking at 41s on the buy side. We're not really looking for any buys except probably take a one contract right here at test of the low. But you can see overnight we had more or less divine straight back up and no volume at all. So we're looking to see if we could get a punch of 41. This spike, which is our volume node here, 35, 36, which I trade the chart, you might be able to get one contract off on 35, 36 based on time of day. So that's what we're looking for in the ES. So let's go to the charts and right, let's go to charts. Right, so you could see this is the value here, gray box, 1 deviation, 0.5 deviation. So what we closed yesterday right above this value area from the week before. We haven't put in developing value here because we wanted to make sure that we only catch the FOMC trade on it. So we didn't get quite a buy last night on a swing to the high side, didn't get it test at the bottom, which was the 15s. If you're looking to enter at 15s again, if you're looking for the buys, a single contract of course. Alright, so we back to closer POC for the week last week. So what we had on Tuesday, which I don't think I'd do a review for, was more or less a value trade, open right at 9:30, straight down to value area low, took out one contract buy to the upside, left some contracts hanging because it wasn't trading on the 33, just failed because we hit 26, so we had a 2 contract buy right here. Alright, so what we're looking for this morning is more or less join tools. No, be here. So we're looking for open, test high, punch. You could go from 39 to 42. And then a rotation back. Slow rotation back to the downside. And look to close at. So if you want, you could at least take one contract at 36 based on the open. Look at a 11:30 trade, which is London close, which is value high. If you're looking to buy, if you're looking to buy, and we get the sell off, look for your 15s or 13s in the first instance. Go to a 5 minute chart to see if we can get this to show a little better. And then look for your back punch to the upside on the open. So that is two areas we're looking at. If we do get a big sell off, 29.05 is your deviation, which coincides with the value area of low of last week. So we're going to just play with value areas. Make sure that if you're entering the 15s, your stops are beyond 78. So you're looking at taking a lot of risk, or just wait for 12s and look to take the trade off at 12 to 13. So trade small, trade smart. I left some contracts running, didn't really get what we were looking at yesterday. So let's go to crude now. We had crude news yesterday, which was more or less mixed to bearish. Looking at yes, I'm sorry. Right. Looking at the major move, we know we have an area here that will be very interesting. It is 63.40 this morning. Looking for the punch to the upside and fail it. If that does fail, we have a second one running contract at 70 to 80. 80 will be the best spot to sell. 70 to 80 will be the best spot to sell here today if you're looking for the bearish number. So look at 40s and 70s for your sell points. Don't want to be buying in this market at all. The rotation is pretty low rotations when we consider what we actually trying to achieve here. So you can always take these 62.50 if you're looking at looking at a short-term buy to the upside. What the hell is doing here? See, yeah, contracts hanging still. Yeah, was concentrating on live account. So if you want you want to be aggressive this morning, and you're looking for the punch to the upside on the ES and looking for the traveling through, best idea to do is buy 62.80, run up. So we can run a single contract at 62.80. That is why that was hanging. It stops at 62.50. You can go as low as 62.75 if you're looking for that. Looking for a bear catch to the upside. Looking for longs to the upside. More than likely we'll target the POC, which is 63.13 to 15. So we'll have a good risk to reward. So you'll have 25 points RS, so 30 points RS. To the 1-to-1 trade, use a trailer stop if required. I just need to make that call and talk to those guys on them. So make sure that you trade small, trade smart. In news today, we don't have a lot of major news. We had most of the important news yesterday, so the market should take over. Still have earnings going on, majors, most of the majors completed, and tomorrow will be NFP day, which is our next heavy trading day. So most likely I might post something pre-NFP. So okay guys, I hope you guys did well on FOMC and traded well through it. If you were smart, you would have gotten the 11:30, which is right here, which is London close. Okay, you got the sell off in the morning, you got the 11:30, and close off your trade pre FOMC. Don't ever trade during FOMC if you don't have a lot of bank to play with. Alright guys, most likely I would be doing the update this evening, so bye.